let's get back to business now. Okay, well, these are PSTs. How do you factor them as squares of binomials? X squared minus 4x plus 4. That's the square of x. Then you grab the middle sign here. That's a minus sign. What's the square root of 4? 2. Okay. Another way to look at that, half of -4 is -2. That was that middle guy in the completing the square process, the b. Basically, you're going to end up putting b or basically plus or minus b in here, right? You're going to take half of this coefficient. So whatever this coefficient on x is here, you're going to put that half of that coefficient over here. Half of -4 is -2. Okay, you're basically taking the middle guy, okay, whether it's a plus or a minus. You're going to take this middle guy. All right, x minus 2 all squared. Likewise over here, when you factor that, you're going to get y, the middle sign's a plus sign. Well, half of 1, that linear coefficient, half of 1 is 1/2. So we want y plus 1/2 all squared. Okay, observe that the square of 1/2 is 1/4. The square root of 1/4 is 1/2. So when we factor these two PSTs, we get the square of x minus 2 plus the square of y plus 1/2 equals 7. If you want to make this more closely match the standard form, okay, if you want to write this as the form y minus k, y plus 1/2 is y minus -1/2. But I would accept either as standard form for the equation of the circle. The situation is clearer either here or here than up here. Okay, this was a big old mess. I had no idea what the center or the radius were. But here, okay, so this is one form of an equation for the circle, but it's not very helpful. These are much better forms. These are standard forms for the equation of the circle. All right. From either one, what's the center of the circle? Remember, you're looking for values of x and y that will make the left-hand side equal to 0. That's the trick. We need x equals +2, and we need y equals -1/2. Basically, we need to do sign flips on these guys here, sign flips. So that's the center. I'll label that C. What's the radius? Is the radius 7? No, 7 is r squared. So what's r itself? R is the positive square root of 7. The center is at 2 -1/2. You need sign flips from the equation. The radius is the square root of 7, not just 7. It's 2 point blah, blah, blah. Irrational. That's okay. Meters, if you wish. Okay, we've done circles. Next, let's do lines next time.